Hello!
Welcome to the Doodleverse. Today we will be drawing a Ninja Turtle named Leonardo with you. We'll need a drawing pad, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. I'll be drawing like a ninja.
Subscribe to our channel and give lots of likes
to not miss new drawing lessons. Let's start with the head. The head of the Ninja Turtle has a very unusual shape, so we'll start by drawing a semicircle. Then we'll draw his bandana, like this. Once we've drawn the bandana, let's now draw his eyes. Watch how I draw his pupils, one and the other. Now let's draw his mouth. And now let's add the rest of his face. We need to draw his cheeks. Well done! You drew it nicely. Let's just make his cheeks a bit smaller. His bandana ties at the back, and we need to draw the ends of this band.
So, let's draw the band. I like these kinds of bands. Very nice.
Now we need to draw the Ninja Turtle's neck. And then we'll draw his body. To make it easier, we'll draw it as a rectangle. Now let's draw his shoulders. We also need to draw his strong muscles. We need to show that the Ninja Turtle is in good shape. But first, let's draw the front part of his shell. Let's erase unnecessary lines. And now let's draw his arms. He holds two swords in his hands. Like this. Let's draw this. Now we need to draw his hands that are holding the swords. We'll draw the other arm the same way. Let's continue drawing. Now let's draw his legs. We'll draw the ground he's standing on. Here, we'll draw another line. His knees will be at this level. Let's start by drawing guiding lines. Then, using these lines, we'll draw his legs. He also has bands on his knees. Let's draw them. Now it will be very easy to draw his legs. Follow me. And now we can draw his feet. Let's draw his back. And we'll draw his shell. Now let's draw his belt and other accessories. Now let's put the pencil aside and take a black marker to outline our drawing. Finished outlining? Then let's take an eraser and remove all the unnecessary lines. Once we've erased everything unnecessary, let's take colored markers and color our drawing.
Friends, we need more of your likes. We're trying and drawing for you. Give us more likes. Well, Mom, should we show how it turned out?